Hey, what's up guys? At tune na ako na naman. It's Everyday Nerwin. So for today's video, ayan. Ang plano namin is pupunta kami ng Hata on Monday. So kaya naman yayayain natin yung mga kasama natin kung sasama sila or hindi. Plano is aalis tayo ng 7 a.m. kasi ang alis ng bus 7 a.m. sa Dubai Mall. Going to Hata, 3 hours ang biyahe. So kailangan 6:30 a.m. na doon na tayo sa bus station. So sasama ka ba?
Yes! Let's G!
I'm planning to visit Hata on Monday. Would you like to join?
Monday, I think I cannot because my off is Friday and Saturday.
Bakla kayanin mo. Trip to bakla.
I cannot.
Mag-off ka ng Monday.
I cannot because there is 3 person that is aligned to go off on that day.
Ayop eh. Dapat din na binlog eh. Hindi naman pala sasama eh.
Bakit naka-line up nun? Hindi ako pwede.
Mag-ano ka? Magpaalam ka. Pwede naman.
Meron na nga. Meron na naka-ano, may lakad sila.
Kasi ano lang to, DIY trip. So sasakay ng bus.
Hindi nga ni pwede. Friday, Saturday, Akes.
Kayanin. So sasama ka ba sa Hata on Monday?
Yes, 3rd day.
Amazing!
Yes, I'm excited.